welcome back! Today we're making a cheesecake. Let's get started! First, let's work on the crust. We're gonna need 1 pack of Maria cookies. Put them in the blender and make them crumbs. This should make about 1 cup of cookie crumbs, which is exactly what we need. In the bowl they go. Up next, we're gonna need some sugar. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar into the cookie crumbs. Go ahead and mix it. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Make sure you mix it up pretty well. Remember, this is for the crust. I'm using a springform pan. Although it's non-stick, I'm gonna go ahead and butter it. It adds a nice brown color to the side of the cheesecake. Go ahead and pour it in there. Shake it around to distribute it evenly. We're gonna use something flat like a cup or a wine glass to flatten it out. So guys, have you subscribed to the channel already? If you haven't, please show us some love. It really helps out our channel. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. This is just for the crust only. Go ahead and leave it in there for 5 minutes. While that's cooking, we're gonna prepare our cream cheese. We're gonna need 16 ounces. Make sure everything's at room temperature. Give it a nice little mix to soften it up. And next, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of sour cream. Add in 1 cup of sugar. And for ours, we're gonna add a little bit of lemon zest. Just a little bit, not too much. Squeeze in 1/2 of that lemon. Together, they're gonna add a delicious flavor to our cheesecake. Next, add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. That's 2 and 3. This has to be my favorite vanilla extract, La Vencedora. We're gonna add it 1 1/4 teaspoon. Make sure not to overmix this. Too much air in here and it will create a crack on our cheesecake. Nice and creamy. If you still see little lumps, go ahead and mix it with the whisk. Remember, not to overmix it. On a separate bowl, we're gonna whisk 3 eggs. And 3 eggs. Whisk it. And go ahead and add it in slowly to our cream cheese. Whoa, I said slowly. It's raw. I'm just kidding. Add it in slowly. That way it won't fluff up. Alright, it's ready to bake. Let's go ahead and add it in. Nice and creamy and no lumps. Now for the cheesecake, we're gonna preheat the oven to 285 degrees. And we're gonna bake it for 1 hour and 45 minutes. When it's done, go ahead and let it cool down. Unfortunately, we can't taste this yet. We're gonna have to stick it in the fridge for 8 hours. I know. I'm sorry. In the fridge it goes. See you later, alligator. 8 hours later. This looks so good. I know it's a non-stick pan, but we're gonna work around the edges. I don't want anything getting stuck when I release it. remember, be patient. No need to rush. Go ahead and release it. Lift it up gently. That's perfect. If you have some fresh fruit, go ahead and add it on top. Preferably add some blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, or raspberries. Any berries will do, even dragonberries. Let me know if you know what that is in the comments. Alright, and finally, it's time for the taste test. Delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Till next time.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya.